It's 9 o'clock. Day begins early today because I'm going to drop someone at airport.
Bye GP vlogs. I will see you guys soon. I really miss you.
Over and out. Something in Shivangi's pocket. I saw it. Shivangi, show us what is there in your pocket.
It's a sandwich.
Sandwich?
So I'm hungry now. I will eat in the flight. Bye! All the piston hearts out there, don't be a Rahul Khan.
Ways, that's tunnels, sideways lights, bad lights, it gets way. Welcome to GP's vlogs. I've just come back. I mean, I've not just come back, but then I've come back from airport. I've dropped Shivangi Walia and she's gone home, that is Chandigarh. Day before yesterday, someone also asked me about this question regarding advices and tips for photographers who want to make life as a photographer. I always talk about this thing with my students when they ask me that, you know, how should we make photography as a career? So to make photography as a career, first you need to decide what you want to do in photography. Like, there are different streams in photography. There is fashion photography, there is wedding photography, there is wildlife photography, there is travel photography, now there are two type of people. One who run behind, you know, just the cool factor of it and not doing photography or, you know, doing whatever they are doing in life passionately. So if you think that you are passionately interested into getting into photography for some reason, then just run behind it. Like, I would seriously want to mention one of my students. I actually don't want to call him student because though he was part of one of my batch in colleges, but this guy, he always told me that he wanted to get into wildlife photography. To be a wildlife photographer, you have to, you know, be there in jungle. Like, for the same matter, if you want to be a travel photographer, you have to keep on traveling. If you want to be a fashion photographer, you need to know what is trending live in fashion that time. So you need to get into it and not just do it for the sake of, you know, coolness of it. Okay, so you would have not seen GP driving car for a very long time because the car was not here. But I've just come to get my car back. She's my sister Pooja. You would have seen her in previous vlogs. This is Sanket. What's up, Sanket? Hello. Sanket is one of our subscribers. He watches all our videos. So
even I am a subscriber.
I am just driving across Chembur. I'm in Chembur now. And it's raining a lot. The car is...
There are small sprouting plants that have come in the car because it's been staying.
It's a very green car, you know.
It's very eco-friendly.
It's very eco-friendly car, green car.
You must have not seen the Shivaji Chowk near Chembur. It's been converted like in a fort.
Hurry!
Wow. Exactly. Your viewers must not be knowing.
I've also not seen
and
this.
And in the night, it glows.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, this looks like a very pretty place. So we are in TISS, that is Tata Institute of Social Science. Social Science, right? Oh. Social Science. So Pooja was actually learning dance from here. So she's come here to get her certificate, might be. After that, I think I'm going Vashi for a meeting. So today I have a car. Luxury of traveling in a car. Look at Sanket. You like vlogs?
I saw your vlog.
What do you like about my vlogs?
Exploring,
yeah.
new things.
But I have not been exploring since a long time now, but I'll get onto rides very soon because I'm waiting for my bike to get fixed. This looks like a cool place. Green all around. Okay, we are crossing Vashi Bridge now. Then look at this guy. It's not safe. And he's a cop. He's got a cop thing on him. How can a person ride with this thing? That thing doesn't look safe on bikes. I don't know about scooters. Might be on scooters it is little safe, but on bikes it's not safe at all because they tie it to your handlebars and your headlights. It's still here. Oh man. Seriously, wear a good wind cheater, but it's attached to his handlebars and to the tail. I know he looks comfortable riding it. What do you guys think about this? Is it comfortable? Is it safe? Or is it like something very ridiculously silly which in India, I mean, which is happening in India now, or which is happening in Mumbai specifically? Wow, look at this guy. Okay, I've reached Vashi. I think I'm at this place called Seawoods, and there's this very nice place to eat food, Chinese food called KG's. But okay, I've decided now, from today I'm not going to shoot things or places where I go to eat, because then I'll turn into a food vlogger, right? Okay, I'm not going to show it. I'm not going to show you that thing. This is Parsik Hills, and yeah, I have a meeting up here at Parsik Hills. There is one co-working space here called Zoom Start. So I have a meeting with them, not for co-working space, for something else. But then look at the view. You don't feel like you are in Mumbai, right? Okay, I got very late leaving from this meeting. It's evening, 7 o'clock, 7:30. So ending my today's vlog here. All you piston hearts out there, don't be an oil can.
Desperado,